If you're a natural gal, this makeup tutorial is for you. Today we're going to be using one of my favorite brands, Charlotte Tilbury. This is their setting spray and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Helps a lot with prepping your skin. And I finally got my hands on their new foundation that it's called the Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint Hydrating Foundation Stick. This one right in here. And I am in the shade Fight Medium. This is without foundation and this is with it. At first I was a little scared because it kind of looks grayish, but watch, once I start blending in, look at that. This is a type of foundation that it's perfect for daily makeup or somebody that is like a natural makeup gal, because the coverage is very sheer and you can tell it'll definitely help neutralize my redness and blue veins that I have around. Look at how pretty that is. So this is with the foundation and this is without it. Now I'm gonna apply it all over my face. The only part I'll be skipping will be my under eye because I will be using concealer there. By the way, if you're looking for an amazing foundation brush, definitely get the Bdellium. This is the 968. Look at this. And whatever's left over, I like to drag down the neck. And now I'm gonna go in with the concealer, the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury as well. I honestly cannot believe that nobody told me how good this is. And as in good as I mean is like creamy and like medium, and it does have a buildable coverage. But I just can't believe it. I have it in my kit because if you know me, you know I am a big fan of Charlotte Tilbury brand. So this is something that I'm really considering to add to my kit because if you have mature skin or very, very dry under eye, you're going to love it. I also got this in the shade medium. And when it comes to concealers, I highly recommend that you get the shade of almost your foundation if you're trying to use it as a spot concealer on the daily use. The only time I will suggest that you get 1 to 2 shades brighter is if you do like a medium to full coverage foundation, so it brightens the area. So selecting your shade of concealer is very important to keep that in mind as to what it's your goal for the end result of your makeup look. Look at this, that little bit of concealer that I put on, and it allows me to bring it all over here. That also helps me brighten my eyelid because I do have a lot of blue veins there. Not sure if you can really tell, but helps me a lot. So this is the foundation and concealer. It is amazing, super natural. You can't even feel the product on your face. So, and now it's time to set. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish in shade 1. I am a normal to oily skin, so I definitely have to set my under eye and T-zone. But I think, especially in the winter time, for this product, you might be able to get away with it without powder if you have dry skin. But if you're oily or combo like me, this is like a must-have. And look at how that filter effect it gives once you use this powder. I have all of the shades in my bridal kit because this is a must-have. And to finish up my entire base, I'm gonna go in with a setting spray so it gives me that long lasting and it helps the powders and the liquids to blend in seamlessly together. If you're a brown eye girl, definitely get a brown mascara. You're pretty much done just like that, but I am a little extra, so I am gonna go in with blush. I love baked blushes because not only does it give you that nice flush back in your face, but it also has like a very sheer luminous finish touch to that, and I just love it. Like, look at that, so pretty. And of course we also have to add bronzer by Charlotte as well. I swear if I had to be like a retail makeup artist, which I've never been, it will be for this brand because I swear by it. Look at that, sun-kissed. To finish up this natural makeup look, I'm using the YSL number, oh my god, I can't even see it. I think it's, just ask me in the comments if you're curious. It's this one right in here. It's like a baby pink. Super hydrating, very cute, or let's call it cutesy. Very demure, but very, very pretty. And of course, I also have to add gloss. This is the one from Lawless, the plumping, smoothing one, clear. This one right in here. It smells so good. And let's just finish up the look with this perfume. And we're done. Bye.